From NBC News, this is Today with Dylan and Howie, live from NBC Studios in Rockefeller Center.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Today. I'm Dylan.
And I'm Howie. Today is Friday, July 18th, and we're so happy you're starting your day with us.
How are you doing this morning, Howie?
I'm great. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. How are you doing, Dylan?
I'm doing pretty good.
Let's get into today's headlines. A new study found that a positive attitude is key to a person's health. Ways to increase happiness levels include setting goals, practicing gratitude and meditation, and of course, smiling more.
Now that we've got our headlines covered, let's check in with our meteorologist, Liz.
Hello, Dylan and Howie. How are you this morning?
We're doing well, and hoping we'll have some nice weather headed our way.
Well, you are in luck, my friends, because from coast to coast, it's going to be beautiful, a beautiful weekend with sunny and clear skies. It'll be the perfect time to get outside. Hope you have a great weekend in your neck of the woods.
Sounds like it's going to be a fantastic weekend. And to start it off, let's get a morning boost.
Meet Ranger and Cindy. Two rescue dogs reunited thanks to a chance conversation between their owners. They organized a play date, and the pups started playing like no time had passed, proving true friendship can last a lifetime.
What a special moment. Now it's time for Pop Start. Let's head to Jay for the latest in pop culture news.
Hey, Dylan and Howie, we have someone special here in the studio today. Say hello to Suzanne, a Grammy Award-winning artist who released her new album today. Suzanne, hi, how's New York treating you so far?
It is wonderful. You gotta love New York. Woohoo!
I know you're getting ready to head out on a world tour right now. What can fans expect from you on the stage every night?
They will get a show of a lifetime and some unexpected twists.
You've worked with some of the biggest names in the music industry. I'm curious, who would be your dream collaboration?
Taylor Swift. I think everyone would agree.
We can't wait to hear you play some of your new music on the plaza. But before we go, what do you want to say to all of your fans across America?
Want to thank you all for following me, for watching me, and you can expect a show of a lifetime.
Dylan and Howie, I know you're both big fans too. So get ready to get your dancing shoes on.
So fun. Thanks, Jay. Before we wrap up, we want to thank our amazing crew who make everything possible behind the scenes.
That's right. From our top-notch camera operators to our talented control room. We are fortunate enough to have the best in the business.
We also have the best audience members in the world. Let's go to Gavin in the plaza now.
Hey Dylan, I'm here with an excited fan now. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Chanda. I'm from Denver, Colorado.
Anybody watching at home that you want to say hi to?
I want to say hi to my amazing dog, Daisy.
Well, thank you for being here, and from all of us today, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.